What's up, everybody? It's Ryan, and today we are going to learn infinity drop. I'm not liable for any injuries or deaths, and always train with a coach and always have a great crash mat. Let's get started. Okay, so this is an advanced drop and drops, so there's a lot of them, infinite. So I'm going to show you how to do that today, and I am going to be gone for a few days, so don't unsubscribe. Actually, I need more subscribers. So everybody watching right now, subscribe, and I can have hundreds of subscribers. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. So first off, you have to learn how to do a hip key. So let's do that. Once you do that hip key, take your tail, bring it down here like this. So take it off here around your legs. And then we're going to put this over our head and then put it around our back like this and grab it. Then we're going to bend this knee, bring it over here, and come forwards. I recommend starting a lot lower, but you do slide down a little, so I like to start with the climb. And yeah, just make sure you're high enough to do a couple. Point our toes like that, and just you can keep going. And faster you go, I feel like faster you drop. And then I just like sliding down to undo it. That's the easiest way. So I'm gonna show that in depth, but let's take a little break. So just step on your aerial silk, be careful, and just lean back. There you go. Okay, so back to learning infinity drop. So yeah, this is an advanced drop. So let's start a little lower. Let's do that. Let's do that hip key. Let's take the tail, bring it around. And then this is going to go over you, and then you're going to grab it right over here. And then the leg that's not all twisted up, we're going to bring over here, bend, and make sure you don't hit your head. So I like to go slow if you're too low to drop. So let's start doing that from a climb up. I'll show you how to do a hip key really quick, and I'll show it in another video by itself, more in depth. But basically, you take one leg out, and with your other, you sweep it up, but it's on your thigh, and then you just lean this way. You can't really hold yourself that well. It slips a little, but I'll show that again up high. So we're gonna climb up. We're gonna do a hip key like that. And then we are going to grab this, all of the tail, bring it around like this, make sure we hold it tight, over like this, and yeah, we are gonna slip a little, it's just a fact. And then, so I'll show that again. I recommend sitting up a little first, just to get a little comfortable, and then we're gonna bend this knee, bring it over like this, hold on, and then let go when we're ready, like that. And you're just gonna end up like this again. If you forget to drop, or to grab on, you're gonna end like that, so just pull yourself up again. Go like this again, drop, and just remember you're high enough because you'll slip. So let's do that from a little higher. I like to go from 2 climbs up usually. And then we're gonna do that nice hip key. Grab the tail. And then when it's hanging like this, so it's basically just a loop-de-doo around your leg. And then arm like this, on our lower back. Bend this leg and bring it through. And drop. So if you want, you can pause and just go through it slowly. But you bend like this and go. So make sure you're really careful when doing this drop. It's called infinity drop because you can do it infinite amount of times with the same height. And then you can kind of chill here if you're a little tired. But this is what happens if you don't bend your leg. You kind of go like this. It's not that bad, but then it might get caught. So yeah, make sure you bend that leg when you are putting yourself back in. I just like to land on the ground, untwist it like that. Thank you for watching, and I really need subscribers. Once I get 100 subscribers, I have a little surprise for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment cheeseburger. And then that means you watch the video all the way. Only a few people will comment that. So let's have you be one, okay? And don't forget to share the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!